on a planet which is called Earth. Sun, Moon, and Earth are natural objects in the sky. The sky. The vast open space above us is called the sky. We can see the sun, the moon, the stars, and the clouds in the sky. The sky appears blue. Sometimes, we see white fluffy clouds in the sky. The sky looks different at different times of the day. When we wake up in the morning, we see the sun appearing in the sky. This time is called sunrise. First the sky appears blue and then turns pink. We go to school in the morning. During the day, the sun shines brightly. The sun gives us heat and light. Afternoon is the time when the sun is high up in the sky. School gets over in the afternoon and we come back home. When the sun goes down, it is called sunset. The sky turns orange and pink. We call this time as evening. We go out to play in the park in the evening. The sky becomes dark at night. Stars twinkle and the moon shines in the night sky. We cannot see the sun at night. We sleep at night. During rainy season, the sky is covered with dark grey clouds. Sometimes, after the rains, we see a rainbow in the sky. The earth. We live on the earth. It is covered with land and water. The earth has more water than land. It also has air, water, heat and light, which helps human beings, plants and animals to live here. Our life is not possible if air, water, heat and land was not there. No more. The shape of the earth is like an orange. Water on the earth. Water is present on the earth in rivers, lakes, seas, and oceans. It is also found in the form of snow on mountains. Water is also found under the ground. Many plants grow in water. Many animals live in water. No more. Oceans are the largest water bodies on the earth. Seas are smaller than oceans. Oceans and seas have salty water. Land and its forms. Land has many shapes and forms. The flat lands are called plains. Very high raised land with peaks are called mountains. The less high raised lands are called hills. A raised land with a flat top is called a plateau or tableland. The land where many trees grow is called forest. Many animals live in the forests. Many parts of the land have forests. Incredible India. We have all types of landforms and water sources in our country such as mountains, hills, plains, rivers, ocean, and sea. The highest mountains in the world, the Himalayas, are located in India. We must take care of our earth by planting more trees, saving water and electricity, keeping our surroundings clean. New words. Natural, made by nature, not made by man. Vast, very large in area or size. Fluffy, soft, fur-like and puffed up with air. Twinkle, shine on and off. Remember, the space above the earth is the sky. There are sun, moon, stars, and clouds in the sky. The sky looks different during the day and at night. We live on a planet which is called Earth. Earth has air, water and land. Land has many shapes and forms, such as plains, mountains, hills, and deserts. Water is found on the earth in rivers, lakes, ponds, seas and oceans. We must take care of our earth.